Hi, my name is Jennifer Faulkner, Training Coordinator here at QuoteWerks. In today's video, we will be going over bundles in QuoteWerks Web. This feature allows you to add a group of items to your quote with just one click. By using this powerful tool, you'll be able to save a tremendous amount of time. QuoteWerks offers two types of bundles, simple and grouped. Simple bundles are used to add a basic list of items to your quote that have no relation to one another. As you can see, a simple bundle is just a list of individual items. It is the same as if I were to add the items individually from the product lookup window. Simple bundles are an easy way to save time by adding multiple items you may sell together often as a saved list. Group bundles are groups of items that will display under a single description. The prices for the individual items will be totaled up and displayed on a single line. The prices for the individual items may or may not be hidden depending on the bundle setting. On the quote workbook, you can quickly identify a group bundle by the yellow highlighting of the items and the group heading line. If I were to adjust the price of any of the individual items in the group, the price of the group heading line will change in relation to the new item price. There are two ways to access the bundles window. You can go to the products on the menu bar and select bundles, or an easier way is to simply click on the bundles icon on the shortcut toolbar. This window will allow you to search for a bundle and will also display a list of your current bundles. By default, the Show All option will be selected. If you have an extensive list of bundles, you can search for a specific item by selecting Search by Name. There are a few bundles that come with your QuoteWerks installation, so we will be using these today. Your screen might look different if the administrator made changes to what bundles you have in the system. I know the Premier Entertainment package is a group bundle. To add it to the quote, I can double click on it, or I can select the bundle, then insert or add it to the quote. Inserting a bundle into the quote will insert it above the currently selected item on the quote, and adding a bundle will add it to the bottom of the quote. You are also able to add a bundle under an existing header or section header. Once you go to add your bundle, it will ask for the quantity. For a group bundle, the quantity of the group heading line will change and not the individual items. I will change the quantity to 2 to demonstrate. As you can see, we know this is a group bundle because of the yellow highlighting and the group heading line. Because we changed the quantity to 2, we can see that reflected here. The total price of the bundle can be found on the group bundles heading line. Let's go back and add a simple bundle. I know my surround sound package is a simple bundle, so I will add that to my quote and change the quantity to 2. When you change the quantity of a simple bundle, it will change the quantity of all of the items individually. The simple bundle is just individual items, and as you can see, we had changed the quantity to 2, so the quantity of the individual items changes. Currently, bundles are only able to be created in QuoteWerks Desktop, but can be accessed easily in QuoteWerks Web once created. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our tech support team at 407-248-1481 extension 3, or email support directly at support@quotewerks.com. Thank you for watching.